Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Alright, so today I'm going to open up this PC, and I hope this video will benefit someone. Alright, so I'm working on a desktop CPU. So this CPU has a parallel port, 25 pin. Alright, so it's connected to the onboard pin. So this is the cable connecting to the motherboard. It's an onboard pin. Uh, yeah, it's quite difficult to see because there are so many cables. So this is the new card that I've just ordered online. That has very nice packaging. So I'm intending to replace this card with the card that has the cable without to the onboard pin that I've shown you before. Right, so let's open this up. So I'm intending to replace this card with the card that has the cable without to the onboard pin that I've shown you before. As you can see here, it has two ports. One is a 25 pin to the dot matrix printer, and the other one is the port that's going to connect to the monitor. So this is the card connector, and this is the card connector that you should slide into the PCIe X1 slot on the motherboard. You should identify which panel that you should open from behind the desktop. So right now I've opened the wrong one, so I have to open the other one. Alright, so let's open up this back panel again. Do subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Folks, I hope you all of you folks join in my giveaway that I've set up. You can see my previous video on giveaway items that I'm willing to give out to my subscribers once I've reached 300 subscribers. Yeah, so I'll be giving away some game CDs for now. Later on, maybe I'll think of something else for the giveaway. Alright, thank you for supporting. So now let's slide in this card into the motherboard, shall we? There you go, it fits well. So once you fit the card in, you have to close up the back panel. I'm using this one, this metal piece, to cover up the first panel that I've opened mistakenly. So it's all done. So now let's close this desktop CPU with the side cover. So once that's all done, you can connect back all the cables. Okay, so now this is the cable that's connected to the dot matrix printer. It's a 25 pin male port, so it should fit well with the female port behind the desktop CPU that you just slide in. So this is the 25 pin male port that's connected to the dot matrix printer. So I think it will fit nicely into the female port behind the desktop CPU that we have just fixed just now. So let's fire this machine up and switch on the CPU. Alright, so it's all done. After that, you should install printer driver, dot matrix printer driver. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe and give it a thumbs up.